Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can easily trim off videos on CapCut PC. Now they have this new feature where you don't have to select twice to delete something. You can just select this one specific button to delete and trim off the video that you don't want. So I'm just going to select this video as an example. So before this feature I had to select split and then select the clip and then delete it. But now you can actually select the clip, and if you want to delete the left side, like this part of the video, select the delete left and it's going to automatically delete that part for you without you having to select anything else. And again, for the right one, just select the clip. You have to select it, and then you are going to select the other button. There's two, and it's going to automatically delete that part without you having to select it and then pressing delete. And I think this is a very great update, just making editing easier. So yeah, make sure you update your app because it just won't show up if you don't update it. We have a video on that, on how to update on our channel if you want to check that out. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!